What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 5 reasons to consider a SageStream credit file freeze. SageStream is a consumer reporting firm that provides lenders and other credit-granting companies with consumer reports and credit scores. SageStream promises to be able to assist consumers with thin credit files by examining unconventional data such as people's relationships with cellular or internet service providers. SageStream, like any other consumer reporting agency, is governed by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Customers with SageStream files may now receive a free copy of their report, as well as contest inaccuracies and erroneous information and request a SageStream freeze. SageStream generates a credit score ranging from 1 to 999 based on their own data and a unique credit scoring algorithm. The higher the score, like with standard credit scores, the lower the danger of the customer defaulting. However, unlike FICO credit ratings, SageStream credit scores are not commonly used. SageStream claims that a variety of businesses utilize its ratings, including auto lenders, credit card issuers like Synchrony Bank, retailers, wireless telephone service providers, utilities. When you place a freeze on your credit report, you are restricting access to your credit file. Your credit file may be frozen and unfrozen for free. Your credit score is unaffected by a credit freeze. When applying for credit, it's crucial to keep in mind that lenders or credit card companies may ask you to lift a freeze. They might not provide you credit if they can't access your credit report. The following are some of the reasons why you might consider a SageStream credit freeze. 1. SageStream's credit score is low. Several people with credit scores of 800 or 820 reported being denied credit because of a low SageStream score. Credit scores are determined using data provided by creditors. The SageStream algorithm generates a credit score between 1 and 999. The issue with SageStream is that relatively few lenders provide them with information about their customers' credit histories. SageStream has a limited amount of data with which to generate a score. Because most creditors don't report to SageStream, its rating database isn't as comprehensive as the big threes. 2. There is no live interaction. SageStream has made getting a live agent on the phone very hard. Consumers are given a phone number that has many recorded messages and an opportunity to talk with a real person. The issue is that it's a never-ending loop that always returns you to the list of pre-recorded selections. 3. Have a mail-only dispute. Consumers can contest mistakes, and SageStream must repair or remove any erroneous, incomplete, or unverifiable information within 30 days of receiving notification of your dispute, much like the 3 main credit agencies. It might take up to 30 days to resolve a dispute through the mail. The main credit bureaus provide the option of filing a dispute online, which can expedite the process. 4. Is unable to remedy basic faults right away. SageStream does not have an online dispute resolution alternative. This might be a problem if you need to fix an error right away. There may be items that are too old to report, for example. When you contact with a person or submit an online dispute, the main credit bureaus usually delete obsolete material right away. SageStream's email-only dispute policy prevents this. It makes sense since the firm is focused to a considerable part on supplying lenders with information about millennials, those aged 18 to 34 who may have limited credit histories, according to the company's Senior Vice President of Credit Risk Solutions. A consumer's credit history with the main credit agencies may be complete, but his or her credit history with SageStream may be limited. 5. Imprecise justifications for denial. When creditors utilize SageStream, consumers with high credit ratings from the 3 main credit agencies are frequently refused for a variety of reasons. Here are a few examples of SageStream's ambiguous refusal reasons. Limited history for consumers at this phone. Distance between prior residences. The phone is associated with a suspected fraud. Credit score low due to when Social Security number was issued relative to peers. What is your SageStream credit score? If you want to receive your SageStream credit score, you may do so safely online by filling out their credit score request form. How to put your SageStream credit report on hold. You can request that the security freeze be lifted by mailing it to the above address or phoning SageStream toll-free at 888-395-0277 Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. How to file a credit report dispute with SageStream. You can submit a complaint with us using one of the following methods. Send your complaint to SageStream, LLC Customer Service. P.O. Box 500 3793, 92150 San Diego, California. Fax your complaint to 858-451-2847. Call 888-395-0277 to file a complaint. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us online.